Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to fix your Google Nest Doorbell camera when it keeps going offline. Start by checking your Wi-Fi connection. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi signal is one of the most common reasons why your Nest Doorbell keeps going offline. Next, restart your doorbell camera. Sometimes the device needs a simple restart to fix temporary errors. Open the Nest or Google Home app, find your doorbell settings, and choose the restart option if available. If that does not work, turn off your power at the breaker for about 10 seconds, then turn it back on. This power cycle helps clear minor issues. If the doorbell still goes offline, reconnect it to your Wi-Fi. In the app, remove the device from your home setup. Then add it again as a new device. Scan the QR code and enter your Wi-Fi password carefully. This will refresh the network connection and often fixes the offline issue. As a last step, you can try a factory reset if nothing else works. A factory reset will erase all settings and you will need to set up the doorbell again from scratch. Press and hold the reset pinhole button on the back of the doorbell for a few seconds until the status light changes. Thanks for watching.